Here's an example of how the OptimEyes Arithmetic Tool can be used in quality control inspections in a manufacturing environment. Using the Arithmetic Tool, we can compare a manufactured part to a known perfect part and detect defects by detecting the difference between the images. We'll start off by opening the perfect image and an image of the part that's being inspected in two separate viewports. In an actual manufacturing environment, the image of the part being inspected would probably come from a camera watching products move across an assembly line, and we would automate this entire process using visualized scripting. I'll demonstrate how to create and run scripts in another video. For this demo, we'll just use two static images and run the process manually. As you can see, the perfect image has a 5 button in the middle, but the 5 button is missing from the part we're inspecting. To detect the defect, first we'll open the Arithmetic Tool. We'll set input image 1 to be the perfect image and input image 2 to be the image we're inspecting. We won't specify an output image. Instead, we'll have the Arithmetic Tool create one. We'll have the tool subtract one image from the other so that the output will display only the difference between the two. We'll leave most of the options as they are, but we do want to check Clip Output to Range to ensure that we don't end up with any out-of-bounds pixel values. We'll click Run to perform the operation, and as you can see, the difference between the perfect image and the inspected part is clearly seen in the output image. In an actual manufacturing operation, we'd use additional tools to analyze the output image and either alert an operator or automate control of the manufacturing process when a defect was detected.